come down in the class and no, I can't answer none. You just not no sense. No talking, no pooping, no farting, no barking. Shut up! Come out on the detention into 10 days suspension.
Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
It's like the more I stay up on the phone, the hotter you get. Yes. Kevin! Wait, hold on. What? I understand say you live a galley's life, but please stop talking to girl in my house, please. Can I tell you something? What that? We know our relationship, don't? Yes. You go up on a ship yet? Yes. How much people a ship can hold? Enough people. Alright, allow me alone. Me have something to tell you. Me have something to tell you. But you have to promise me you won't get vexed. Promise. Remember when I said I forgot gym because I'm fat? Hi George, I'm a trainer. Oh, your cousin George, that good man I'll hum to you. No? Which George? Me ex. Which George? Me ex. Which George? Me ex. Hi George, I'm a trainer. Remember when I said I forgot gym because I'm fat? Baby, I see you don't even know I'm alive, yeah? Lie. I don't feel alive, man. Everything I feel alive.
Sure, answer your phone.
I'm not for answer, I'm not working.
That's why I must answer the phone.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Pizza Hut, what's up?
Huh? Why are you calling
Can I have a large pepperoni?
Twani, what are you talking
Yeah,
about?
pepperoni only.
Why Pizza Hut calling?
Who's
that?
Twani. Yeah, large pepperoni, thank you.
What are you talking about? Pizza Hut don't call people.
That's easy, man. Me tell a pizza. Why you accuse me of thing? I'm a see your phone. We are sending them purple looking, big cucumber looking. Yeah.
Answer the phone.
Hello?
Twani, what was that? Why are you calling
Pizza Hut.
Why are you calling me Pizza Hut?
Okay, yeah, no pepperoni, add pineapple and ham. Pineapple and ham. Thank you.
Where you going? Let me call about Pizza Hut, car.
You see, you're too prime now. You're too sick. You're too prime. You want to call big company. You can call back company.
Then go your other
Man,
pizza.
I get
Then never get the other the first time.
No, them head tough.
Give me
Kevin, make sure you wash everything when I sing. Don't just wash what you use. Oui. Are you bite? Harold. Yes, Marcia. You know she says him bite. Your mother, I bite, man. Little boss, me thinks you earthquake. Me have you one day for orange juice to the house shake well. Yeah, man, a mad puss piss him a drink, man. Mad puss piss. I call if you call it auntie a foreign and tell her where him a going with.
You have 1 minute remaining on this call.
Hello, Agwan Grandma. Happy New Year.
What you say about new pair? Me tell the boy I shouldn't have to come pick up a pair of my 5 trees. Come sell them my market to make some money for Christmas, you know.
No, Grandma, I said Happy New Year.
What you say about new year, boy? Me tell you not put them sitting in your head, boy. You buy new year, a girl sitting in them, boy. You come turn fish down your boy.
Grandma,
you know whenever raise you say no, boy. You come. What you?
Happy New Year. Grandma.
What you say you get new gear? Me know you know Carol never tell me say she send the barrel, but yes when you come down you take out some of the thing them out of the barrel like it's soap and they sitting in some of them new gear the way you talk.
New Year, Grandma. Happy New Year.
What you mean by? You say about nuclear? I see you turn pound, you know, you're going to bomb up, you know, on nuclear. What
Grandma,
kind of bomb sitting on that?
Happy New Year. Year as in year, Grandma. As in year.
Oh, New Year! I know that you have said, but on December 35 now. But New Year, no new, no what it, you see.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try your call later.
So I go watch Netflix. Netflix? What are you talking about? Netflix or deaf? I have. Don't say it. I have. No. Kid. Oh my God. So find a movie channel now. I want to. Channel?
You mean channels?
With a S?
Yes.
Oh my. Like what? What you mean? Tell me now.
Cinemax.
What? Where?
Cinemax Plus. H.
No.
B.
Say. Oh. No, sir. No. No, sir.
Just go to.
No.
Just go to.
What?
Oh my God, Twani, I left the money that I was going to use to pay for the suit.
You know, so I'm not turn back. I'm not turn back. I can't bother with it.
Please.
You know, alright. So every time you do them something.
Yay!
It's a taxi man there. I'm going to take taxi.
What are you doing?
That's it.
It's late night, then you're going to spoil me.
You might spoil it. Every time you talk about this spoil thing, you say you know you're going to stay in the fridge. You not get spoiled today. You are going to stay in the fridge. We can't bother with this, you know. We can't bother.
I hate you.
Jesus, please. Here's a joke, man. Something like, come in, man. Something, sir. I'm tell you.
So you're not going to open the door for me?
Me for open my door. Me for open my door. You must feel say move it. Move it. I must move it. Me for open my door. Me for open my door. Bye bye. Bye bye, girl. Bye bye, bitch.
It's
Dog, which channel are the house decoration channel again?
811.
Ah.
You find out the channel?
Yes, mommy, Junior, they tell me.
So, you know, so from where they only just get so responsible? For real? Yeah!
Why does that now?
Oh my god. That nail is so big. Are you sure it can fit in my household?
Yeah,
Oh my.
I brought my drill.
Well, get to work, bad boy.
You like that?
Oh my
You
god, my
like that?
wall!
Mommy, the boy Junior do it. Shut up! Shut up! Mommy, I'm sure we can come to some understanding. Mommy, I really newspaper you got to take on it that you feel that I got.
No talking, no pooping, no farting, no barking. Shut them out. From now on the detention into 10-day suspension. Rice bag, you have 150 lines to do. Shoe shine, you have 180 lines to do. Twin shop, me I give you 200 lines to do.
May I speak for Remy?
I talk about lines and you will line up. Shut them out. Quiet and just...
Hello?
Yes, girl, me I tell us the girl thing. The girl regular Twisha. You know the man.
Sorry, you hold on.
Yes, me I tell you up here. I
Yeah,
got down
call
on the
back.
phone. Come on, the phone. Nerdan, is that you?
Yeah, me say I'm one Nerdan. Me have 3 glasses. This is the first one, this is the second one. But I know I'm used to the third one. And me operate on the girl like a surgeon.
Oh no, calm down. I'm still broke. I'm still...
See, asking up your face like you smell shit. Yeah, I'm scared.
Babes, today my friend tell me say me I get fat. A true? But me hungry, me no know what me I go eat. Me hungry.
So you want what me can do for help? You want me to do nothing?
No, me no want nothing. You know, so me I get fat. You deaf? Wait. What you mean? You know, so from what you say you no care about me. But you know if you go on, so you know. Wait. You hear that? You hear that? Me catch gas. No, sir. If you cause this, you need to take some of the gas and go cook for me. No, sir.
Hey, bro, bitches. You know what it is. It's Carnival season and we are here in this. It's rich. You know, we're here celebrating Carnival 2017 and we are ready. It's rich. You can't afford it. Costume of the year. Because it's rich. Oh yeah, bro, bitches, we're here. I just finished 2017 Carnival in Trinidad. Now we are here in Jamaica. We're coming, Jamaica. We're going friends soon. It's rich. Every time you make me go. Every time when you if you I and if she I cause we just every time you tell me just
Fool them people where girls touch you like when I eat that, you know that. Man, because I don't watch Empire in the dog season 70,000 in the dog. Yeah, me say in the dog. Man, we gotta check for my info.
I'm on switch on the light there.
The man them. The girls.
Little boy, young Jackson. Yeah, really like you know. Yeah, always want them cats.
No, sir.
Yo, Jackson, jump in and roll the camera now. Yeah, Robbie. I'm here, dog.
Yo.
No, you, dog.
Man, tell me to stop calling man dog in my youth. He's my rabbit. It's my DM right. I want to my youth.
Tiger. Talk to the man now.
I can't know. When I know chatting with the man, you know.
No, sir.
Yo, stop it now. Stop it now.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Comedic. Peace.